Hi friends, today's topic is a traveling salesperson problem using dynamic programming. So what is the traveling salesperson problem? Consider a graph G is equal to V comma E. V is set of vertices, E is set of edges. In the given graph, starting at one vertex, visit all other vertices in the graph, exact levels, and finally reach to the starting vertex with the minimum cost. That is a traveling salesperson problem. So suppose if the given matrix is converted into the given graph is converted to matrix, if I comma j are the vertices, the value is 0. If I is equal to j, that is I 1 1 2 2 3 3, the value is 0, and the corresponding cost if the pair that is I comma j is an edge and the value is infinity if I comma j does not belongs to an edge. This is general traveling salesperson problem. Coming to dynamic programming, the procedure to calculate is g of I comma s is equal to g of I comma s is equal to, in this I is the starting vertex. From this starting vertex, S contains the remaining vertices of the graph. From I to which vertex we have to move. That means minimum of j belongs to S, Cij plus g of j comma s minus j. So the formula is very simple. I is the starting vertex. S contains a set of remaining set of elements. The procedure is, for example, g of some 1 comma 2 3 4. For example, 1 comma 2 3 4. From 1 we are moving to either 2 or 3 or 4. Which one is the minimum one? So minimum of, suppose first we are moving from 1 to 2, that is C12. We are moving from C12 plus G of, so 1 2 is completed. Now from 2, so from 1 to 2 is completed. From 2 to which vertex we have to move? 3 comma 4, that is J value is 2 comma S. S means the entire set 2 3 4 minus j means minus 2, so 2 3 4 minus 2, that is 3 4. So observe the formula. So from 1 we have to move either 2 or 3 or 4. Suppose first step I am moving from 1 to 2. Now calculate. From 2 we have two possible cases, 3 4. Again this is divided. So C 2 3 plus g of 3 comma 4, or C 2 4 plus g of 4 comma 3. So C12. Suppose we are moving C13, C14. This is the way we are calculating. Initially g of I comma 5, that is the set contains no element. G of I comma 5 is equal to, value is simply Ci1. Based on these two formulas, we are calculating traveling salesperson problem. Now consider an example. Now in this example, for example 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So initially calculate g of I comma 5, that is mod s is equal to 0. Set contains no elements. So g 1 comma 5, g 2 comma 5, g 3 comma 5 and g 4 comma 5. So formula is Ci1, that means C11, C21, C31, C41. C11 value is 0, C21 value is 5, value is 6, value is 8. So mod s is equal to 1 completed. After that calculate mod s is equal to 1, that is set g is equal to 0 is completed. Calculate the set contains 1 elements. Possible cases are g 2 3. So 1 is not considered because 1 is the source vertex. We are calculating the partial. Suppose we previously considered C12 plus G of 2 comma 3 4. That is the source is 2, destination is either 3 or 4. For that purpose we are calculating. That means to get the final answer we are getting in reverse approach. G of 2 3, G of 2 4. From 2 we have two possible cases, either 3 or 4. Suppose from 3 either 2 or 4. From 4, so these are the possible cases. So set contains only one element, minimum of, that is the only element, C23 plus G of J comma, that means 3 comma set to minus 3. So contains only element, that is C23 plus G of 3 comma 5. 3 minus 3, that is 5. So C23 value is equal to 9 plus 5 value is equal to 6. So 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 means 15. Similarly, C24 plus G of 4 comma 5. Simply set contains one element. So J value, Ij value, J are same. 4 minus 4 0. That is 5. C24 value is 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8, 18. C32 plus G of 2 comma 5. C32 value is 13 plus 5 value is 5. 13 plus 5, 18. 34, C34 plus G of 4 comma 5. 34 value is 12. 12 plus 8, 20. C42 plus G of 2 comma 5. 42 value is 8 plus 5, 30. C43 plus G of 3 comma 5. 43 value is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So mod S is equal to 1 completed. Now calculate mod S is equal to 2. So mod S is equal to 2 means G of 2 comma 3 4. G of 2 comma 3 4 or G of 3 comma 2 4 or G of 4 comma 2 3. For example, if the graph is a 5 by 5 matrix, if graph is a 5 5 matrix, G of 2 comma 3 4, G of 2 comma 3 5, G of 2 comma 4 5. So three possible cases appears. So the graph is only 4 by 4. Source vertex 1. One vertex is fixed. We have remaining 3 vertices. In 3 vertices, mod S is equal to 2 means that means the set contains 2 vertices. So 2, 3, 4. No other possible cases. So minimum of C. First to consider vertex 3. C2 3 plus G of 3 comma set value is 3 4 minus our considering value is 3. This is the value. Suppose if we are considering 4, in this case the set contains only one element. We are directly moving from 2 to 3. In this case the set contains 2 elements. That is we have to move from 2 to 3 or 2 to 4. This is 2 to 3 case. Now 2 to 4, C24 plus G of, we are moving from 4 comma 3 4 minus 4. That means minimum of C23 plus G of 3 comma 3 4 minus 3. That means the set contains only 4. 3 comma 4 C24 plus G of 3 4 minus 4. That means only 3. 4 comma 3. So that is value is equal to minimum of C23. C23 value is equal to 9 plus 3 4. 3 4 value is equal to 29. C24 value is equal to 10 plus 43 value is equal to 15, 25. So minimum value is 25. The similar way calculate minimum of C32 plus G of 2 comma set to 2 4 minus 2, that means simply 4. C34 plus G of 4 comma 2. So the pair contains only two elements. One is written as J, another one is subtracted. That means minimum of C32. C32 value is 13 plus 24. 24 value is 18. So total value is 31. 34 value is 12. 42 value is 13. So 25. Minimum value is 25. Now this one. Minimum of C23. C43. C42 plus G of 4 comma 3 or C43 plus G of 3 comma 2. G of 3 comma 2. That means minimum of C42 value is 8 plus G of 2 comma 3. 3 value is 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 43 value is 9 plus 32 value is 18, 27. Minimum value is 23. Now mod S is equal to 3. So mod S is equal to 3. So that means only possible case is G of 1 comma 2 3 4. We have 4 vertices. The set contains 3 vertices. So this is the possible case. Actually our goal is to calculate this step. So to get this answer we are calculating these previous steps. That means G of 1 comma 2 3 4 is equal to minimum of C12 plus G of 2 comma 3 4. So G of 2 comma 2 3 4 minus 2, that means simply 3 4. C13 plus G of 3 comma 2 4. C14 plus G of 4 comma 2 3. This is the procedure. So if the graph contains 5 vertices, G of 1 comma 2 3 4 5. So we are getting one more step. C12 plus G of 2 comma 3 4 5. 3 comma 2 4 5. 4 comma 2 3 5. 5 comma 2 3 4. So here the answer is minimum of C12. C12 value is 10 plus G of 2 comma 3 4. So to get this term we are already calculated 2 comma 3 4. The minimum value is 25. C13 value is 15 plus 324. 324 value is 25. C14 value is 20 plus 423. 423 value is equal to 23. That is minimum of 35, 40, 43. So minimum value is 35. So traveling salesperson problem. We are starting at one vertex, visit all other vertices and exactly reach to the starting vertex with the minimum cost of 35. And the path is we are starting at 1. That is from 1. So which path is, that is which vertex to be considered? Among these 3 we are selecting this one. This one means we are selecting this equation. That means C12. We are moving from 1 to 2. From 2 we are getting this value. So this value is 25. From 2 we have 2 possible cases, either 3 or 4. So go to this equation. This one is the disease equation. In this equation we are getting value 25 because of this one. So this one means we are moving from 2 to 4. So observe in the final equation. So we are getting the minimum value because of this equation. So this equation is 1 2, that is moving from 1 to 2. So this specifies from 2 we have to move either 3 or 4. So go to this equation g of 2 comma 3 4. In this the minimum value is of this equation, that is from 2 we are moving 4. We are moving to 4. So we have only one single term, that means 3. So simply move to 3. And suppose observe g of 4 comma 3. G of 4 comma 3 means this one, that means 4 to 3. 4 to 3 plus 3 5 plus 3 5. So 3 5 means see 3 1, that means from 3 to 1. That is the traveling salesperson problem. After visiting all other vertices, exactly reach to the starting vertex. Observe the value 1 2. So the path is 1 2 2 4. So 1 2 value is 10. 2 4 value is 10 20. 4 3 29. 3 2 1 29 plus 6 35. So this is the answer we are getting. This is the traveling salesperson problem using dynamic programming. Thank you.